and today we're going to build a stool for bar, 31 inches high, and this is a little makeup that we built to decide the shape and the color and all that stuff that we needed to. Okay, now we are making this wood a little bit rough with wire brush and a drill. This is the before and this is the after. To rough it off a little bit. This is the kind of look that I was looking for, similar to hammered metal. This is a upholstery foam, and I like the foam to apply the stain, and I'm going to turn it 90 degrees corresponding to this face of the metal. That will give me a structural support for the seat. So this is the base of the seat. This is the foam that I'm going to use. I have to use the help of glue. Just